black shirt, and I'm like, hello, like, welcome in today. How you guys doing? I use my customer service voice. How you guys doing today? Can I help you find anything? Like, I love helping people find shit, because that means I can get away from the register for a minute. I mean, I'm always trying to get away from the register, but it's cooler when you're actually like out there helping somebody instead of like having to roll or run to a rolltainer, which are the big, that's what we call those big carts you guys see wheel out that we have to take care of all the shit off of.
Mom!
Those are called rolltainers.
Mom!
And I would rather not be lined to a rolltainer to a row of taking care of shit than, yeah. So I'd rather help your girl. What's up? You want me to throw frozen pizza in?
Yeah! I want half of you.
What do you have for me?
What do you have? Why did you not throw the pizza in?
I'll throw it in right now. Okay, it's going in. Unless somebody in the G wants to pay for these kids' fast food. These kids need $30 to fucking eat out instead of making this pizza. I say 30 because, yeah. Like, you ever been to fast food nowadays? That motherfucker expensive. No, actually, like, so I low-key had, like, free tier reward for Taco Bell, and I had a free reward from McDonald's, and so I kind of, like, I'm broke now again. For a minute. It doesn't last. And I was gonna take, my son up to get, a free reward from Taco Bell, and then my free reward from McDonald's, because you can't use the same shit in a small disc, right? So I'm like, they're right next to each other. I'm gonna get my free shit from both of them today. So I go to do that, but then my son, like, I stopped at my friend's house to, like, grab something. And, fucking, the kid, my son's friend was there, obviously, you know, because I'm friends with the mom, my kids are friends with my kids. So one of the friend's kids wants to come over, and so I'm like, shit, looks like we have to go back home because we can't do that fucking shit for everybody, right? And, yeah.
Okay,
I was like, I'll make a frozen pizza to hold the
Can I have some pop too?
Well, I mean, it's like $9.99 for a meal and shit, plus tax.
I'll have some pizza too. I mean, some pop too.
But basically, at 15%. Can you have some pop too?
Yeah.
I don't think I have pop, but I have white grape juice. And milk, and I have freshly made water.
Oh, those fries.
Those are from last night.
Oh.
You want to heat up McDonald's fries from yesterday?
Yeah.
I'll make rid of them. I'm making a tea.
Tea?
Yeah. He's like, tea? He said tea, like, what? She made tea for once.
How did you make tea?
So...
Hey, you're supposed to press. You're not supposed to put that at the front. Oh, Mom.
I'm not leaving it in there that long. The fry box can go in.
Oh,
Right?
oh,
The fry box can go in?
No, it can't.